In this video, we're going to look at similar right triangles. So there's a couple different ways that I can draw triangles to make similar right triangles. One way is this way, and the next way is the next example that we're going to look at. The key with doing similar right triangles is you want to figure out what each triangle is and then set up the fraction for them to do the cross multiplication. So I'm going to have the two triangles. So I have my little triangle over here, and then I have my larger triangle over here. So those are the two triangles I'm going to work with. So my little triangle, I have x over 2.5. So I always typically put the variable on top. It doesn't actually matter though. And then we want to match those sides up to the larger triangle. So on this side, the x matches up with the 6, and the 2.5 matches up with the 7.5. Now we're going to cross multiply. So I've got 7.5x equals 15. Then we're going to divide by 7.5. So x equals 2. And that's the answer. So this is another way to set up similar right triangles. So these two triangles are stacked on top of each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark my true triangles, because that's going to help me label my sides. So I've got my little triangle here. And then I've got my big triangle here. So notice the big triangle goes over the little triangle as well. That's actually going to be very important when I'm setting up my fractions. So my little triangle I have is 2 over 3. Now the 2 matches up with the side with the x. The 3 matches up with the side that also has a 7.5 on it, but it's not going to be 7.5. We actually have to add those two numbers together on that side. So on this side, it's actually going to be 10.5. And that's going to be the side of the large triangle, because I got 7.5 and the 3 that I have to put together. Now we're going to cross multiply. So I get 21 equals 3x, and then I divide by the 3. So 7 equals x. So that's going to be that side there, which is 7.